Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to blur a specific part of a moving subject, like a face or person, using CapCut, and it's completely free. Here is a clip we'll work with. Let's get started. First, make a copy of your original clip. Look for the duplicate option and tap on it. Once duplicated, drop the copy as an overlay. Tap overlay and align the overlay track perfectly with the original track on the timeline. Tap outside until you see the main menu, then tap on Effects. Go to the Video Effects, Lens, and scroll down to find Blur. Tap Blur again and adjust the blur settings to 18% or higher for a strong blur effect. Tap Apply to confirm. Then tap Object and choose Overlay. This applies the blur specifically to the overlay track. Now drag the blur effect track so it matches the entire length of your video. Find the moment when the subject enters the frame. Tap upside to show the menu. Then tap balloon icon to open the overlay track. Look for mask and tap it. Choose the circle shape. This will create a circular blur. Adjust the phaser settings for a smoother blend around the edges. Move and resize the mask to cover the face or area you want to blur. Since the subject is moving, you'll need to animate the mask. At your starting point, tap to add a keyframe. You'll see a small red diamond appear. Zoom into the timeline to make your adjustment easier. As the subject moves, adjust the position and size of the mask. A new keyframe will be automatically added each time. Keep following the movement closely to make the blur track the subject accurately. If you need, trim the blur effect track so it only appears while the subject is in a frame. Once everything looks good, export your video. And that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.